Hello students, in today's class we will learn the next illustration. See the question, I will read out the question. Compute the depreciation allowable from the following particulars for the assessment year 2020-21. So assets are given, written down value as on 1st April 2019, rate of depreciation also given. First one, building, written down value 16,80,000, rate of depreciation 10%. Plant and machinery 64 lakh, rate of depreciation 15%. Plant and machinery 4 lakh, rate of depreciation is 30%. Typewriters 1,10,000, rate 15%. Scooters and bikes, written down value 2,20,000, rate of depreciation 15%. Motor cars, written down value 4,50,000, rate of depreciation 15%. Furniture, written down value 40,000, rate of depreciation is 10%. During the year 2019-20, during the previous year, the following assets were purchased. So here date of purchase is given, date of put into use is given, assets and the cost of the assets also given. So this is the date of purchase and date of putting to use. So the assets purchased are foreign car, rated 15%, 1,60,000. Trademark 25% amount 50,000. Plant rated 30%, rupees 3 lakh. Indian car rated 15%, rupees 3,20,000. Books rated 40%, cost is 10,000. Next, during the year 2019-20, the following assets were transferred. So there are in the previous years following assets were transferred. Assets, typewriter, and the date of sale of that asset is 20th December 2019 and the amount of sale is 10,000. Second point, one car 15% rated was completely destroyed by fire on 12 January 2020 and the insurance company paid rupees 80,000 as compensation. Next, third one scooter was partially damaged on 13th May 2019 due to accident and 4,000 claim was recovered from the insurance company. Assessee spent 3,000 on its repairs. Assessee is not entitled to additional depreciation in the case of this scooter. So this question is asked for the year question paper 2015 year question paper. So now see the question. Here we have to compute the depreciation allowable, not allowance, depreciation allowable from the following particulars for the assessment year 2020-21. So here assets, written down value as on 1st April 2019 and rate of depreciation is given. So the first block of asset is building and their rate of depreciation percentage is 10%. Written down value is 16,80,000. So this is the first block of asset. Second block of asset is plant and machinery. Written down value is given and rate of depreciation also given. Third block of asset, again we have to take plant and machinery. The separate column we have to draw because the rate of depreciation is different in the case here. There are two kinds of plant and machinery. One is 15% rated and another one is 30% rated. So we have to draw two separate column for this. Plant and machinery, one is 15% and another plant and machinery for 30%. Next, typewriters, scooters and bikes, motor cars comes under this 15% rated. So it is taken under plant and machinery. So these typewriters, scooters and motor cars are taken as a plant and machinery. It is included under plant and machinery. So while writing written down value of this plant and machinery 64 lakh, we have to take even these three also. So these are the plant machineries. We have to take it as a machineries, plant and machineries. Even in the additional depreciation also, if there is a new assets purchased, then even the additional depreciation also we have to charge for this because it is considered as a plant and machineries. Next, furniture. So next column is for furniture, written down value 40,000 and rate of depreciation is 10%. So totally 1, 2, 3, 4 amount column over. Next continuation, see the illustration. During the year 2019-20, the following assets were purchased. So here date of purchase is given, date of put into use is given, assets which all purchased is given, the cost of assets is given. So the date of purchase is 1st June 2019 and date of putting to use is 10th June 2019. So here foreign car rated 15%, costing is 1,60,000. So this is a purchases we have to take under plant and machinery rated 15%. So along with in this column, in the 15% rated column, we have to add purchases 1,60,000, and while calculating 180 days we have to compare the date of putting to use, not a date of purchases. So from June it is started to use in the business, this foreign car. So we have to charge full depreciation. From June means we have to charge full depreciation as it is used in the business for more than 180 days. In the case of foreign car, 15% it comes under plant and machinery. So we have to charge, along with the normal depreciation, we have to charge additional depreciation also on this value 1,60,000. Next, second asset purchased is trademark, 25% rated. It is purchased on 2nd October 2019. We started to use in the business 9th October 2019. So here this is a new asset purchase. So written down value of the trademark is not given. So we have to draw one more column for the trademark here. So written down value is nil, but we have to write under purchases trademark 50,000, and again on this value we have to charge the depreciation of 25%, and it is used from 9th October 2019. It means that it is used less than 180 days. So we have to charge 50% depreciation. Next, third asset is purchased on 10th June 2019, started to use from November. So plant purchased asset is plant rated 30%. So this one we have to add to the column plant and machinery 30%, and we have to charge a normal depreciation. And here this asset is used less than 180 days. So we have to charge 50% normal depreciation. Again along with that we have to charge additional depreciation of 20%, and also additional depreciation also for 50% since it is used less than 180 days. Next asset, which is purchased on 20th November 2009, started to use in the business from 20th November. Asset name is Indian Car. So it comes under plant and machinery 15%. So we have to add to the plant and machinery rated 15% column, and again we have to charge normal depreciation. Here it is of less than 180 days. So we have to charge depreciation separately, and again we have to provide even the additional depreciation for this Indian Car. It is comes under plant and machinery. Next, 4th December 2019, asset purchased and started to use in the business from December. The asset name is books. So value 10,000. On this 10,000 we have to charge for 40% depreciation, and it is used less than 180 days. It is December 2019. It is used less than 180 days. So we have to charge 50% depreciation. So here trademark and books written down value is not given here. So we have to draw extra 2 column for this. So Indian Car, foreign car comes under motor car only, 15% rate it is. So we have to write in the same plant and machinery 15% column. And here additional depreciation we have to charge on this plant and machinery 15%, 30% and 15% Indian Car. And here, so this building and furniture is not taken as a plant and machinery. So this is a plant and machinery, and these three also plant and machineries. Building and furniture is not a plant and machinery, so we have to take separately. So this is about purchases. Next, during the year 2019-20, the following assets were transferred. So typewriter, date of sale is December 2019. So value of the typewriter is 10,000. So typewriter comes here, typewriter, plant and machinery column. So we have to deduct the plant and machinery 15% column. Next, one car. So one car. So there are many motor cars. Under that, one car complete the rated 15%. So it is from the plant and machinery column 15% was completely destroyed by fire on 12th January 2020, and the insurance company paid rupees 80,000 as compensation. So when any asset completely destroys by fire or any accident, and if they claim any insurance, then it is taken as a sale or transfer. So we have to deduct under sale or transfer. Only if it is completely destroyed, then it is taken as a transfer or a sale. We will get a insurance. Here one car is completely destroyed and they are going to get a claim from the insurance as a compensation from the insurance company, 80,000. So 80,000 compensation is taken as a sale. So we have to deduct under 15% plant and machinery column. Next, one scooter. So this is also under plant and machinery. Scooter partially damaged. It is partially damaged on 13th May 2019 due to accident, and 4,000 claim was recovered from insurance company. Assessee spent 3,000 on its repairs. Assessee is not entitled to additional depreciation. Here one scooter was partially damaged. So here in the case of partially damaged, it is not taken as a sale or transfer. If it is completely damaged or destroyed, then we have to write the insurance claim or compensation as a sale or transfer. If it is partially damaged, whatever the claim they receives from insurance company is not taken, and it is this adjustment we have to completely ignore. Even assessee is not entitled to this additional depreciation for this scooter. So now we'll work out the illustration. So now here how many block of assets are there? One is building 10%, second plant and machinery 15%, third one plant and machinery 30%, then these are comes under plant and machinery 15%, fourth one is furniture 10%, so 4, then trademark 5th column and books 6th column. So total 6 block of assets and one particular. So one particular column and 6 amount column we have to draw here. So write the heading solution, computation of depreciation allowable for the assessment year 2020-21. So first column is particulars. Next first amount column, building rated 10%. Building 10% amount in rupee. Next second column is plant and machinery 15%. Plant and machinery 15% rate amount in rupee. Next is third one, plant and machinery 30% amount in rupees. Then 15 30 over. Next furniture 10%. Furniture rated 10% amount in rupee. Then trademark 25%. Trademark 25% amount in rupee. And the last one is books 40% amount in rupee. So firstly we have to take written down value of all the assets at the beginning of previous year. So that is nothing but 1st April 2019. So we'll take one by one. For first building 16,80,000 written down value 16,80,000. Then plant and machinery 64 lakh, and plant and machinery 30% is 4 lakh. Then furniture, next there are written down value of typewriters, scooters and motor cars, which is comes under 15% plant and machinery column. So we will write here typewriters, written down value we have to write under plant and machinery. So value how much? Typewriters 1,10,000, written down value 1,10,000. Next one more is scooters and bikes 2,20,000. Scooters and bikes 2,20,000. Then motor car 4,50,000. Motor car all are coming under 15% rated plant and machinery 4,50,000. So plant and machinery 30% over. Next furniture written down value 40,000. Furniture written down value 40,000. Then here over written down value. So trademark and books written down value is not given. So dash dash. So this is about written down value. Here you can total it and you can continue, or else directly we can add purchases or transfers. So purchases and transfers. So draw line here. So you can total it and you can write again here written down value, or else you can directly add the purchases. So purchases and transfer will take one by one purchases. So here first purchase during the year. First purchase is foreign car under rupees 1,60,000. 15% under 15% rate we have to take foreign car. Under 15% rate, amount how much? 1,60,000. 1,60,000. Then trademark purchases 50,000. So under trademark column, amount to 50,000. Then purchases is plant rated 30%. It is under 30% column we have to write 3 lakh. Under 30% we have to write 3 lakh is a plant purchased. Then Indian car purchased under 15%. So we have to take under plant and machinery 15%. So Indian car. So how much? Indian car value is 3,20,000. 3,20,000. Next purchases is books. So books we have to write under books column, value is 10,000. 10,000. So there are no other purchases. So building purchase dash, furniture dash. So only plant and machinery 30%, trademark and books have been purchased. Now total it. So this one you write in brackets. So this is of only for this column, okay, not foreign car value. It is only this value is foreign car. Next to total it, this is as it is 16,80,000. Building as it is 16,80,000. Next plant and machinery total 64 lakh plus 1,10,000 plus 2,20,000 plus 4,50,000 plus 1,60,000 plus 3,20,000 is equal to 76,60,000. Next 4 lakh plus 3 lakh equal to 7 lakh. Then 40,000 as it is, 50,000 as it is, 10,000 also as it is. Next we have to deduct sales or transfers. So under sales or transfers we have during the year 2019-20 following assets were transferred. So typewriter 10,000 value. So under typewriter means here plant and machinery column. So here we have to deduct 10,000 for typewriter. Transfer of typewriter 10,000. And one more transfer which is that one car completely destroyed. So this one completely destroyed, we can take the insurance claim whatever received from this, we can consider it as a sale. So what is the amount? 80,000. So it is a one car comes under 15%. So under 15% column we have to take the completely destroyed car as a sale. So how much? 80,000 is taken as a sale. Then one scooter which is partially damaged, it is not taken as a sale or transfer. So rest are nil, there is no sales. So now deduct the values. So 16,80,000 as it is, 76,60,000 minus 10,000 minus 80,000 is equal to 75,70,000. 75,70,000. Then 7 lakh as it is, 40,000, 50,000, 10,000. Next we have to deduct the depreciation. So this is nothing but written down value at the end before depreciation. On this value we have to charge depreciation now. After deducting depreciation we will get written down value at the end after depreciation. So now we'll calculate the depreciation. Write the heading working note, calculation of depreciation. So first block is building. So in the case of building, see here, building, there is no purchases, so no confusion. On the written down value directly we can charge the depreciation. So 16,80,000 into 10% is equal to 1,68,000 is the depreciation in the case of building. So no confusion, directly we can take 16,80,000 into 10% is equal to 1,68,000 is the depreciation on building. 1,68,000. So if there is purchases, then only we have to see the date whether that asset less than or more than 180 days. Next block of asset, plant and machinery. So in the case of plant and machinery we have to be careful while calculating, because there is many purchases and even the additional depreciation also we have to calculate on these purchases. So we'll calculate the depreciation on the plant and machinery. So second block of asset, plant and machinery. So this is of a 15% rated plant and machinery. We'll calculate the depreciation for the plant and machinery 15% rated. So first under plant and machinery we have to see whether there is any purchases. So yes, there is a 2 purchases under plant and machinery column. So here we have to check whether these 2 purchases, whether it is used less than 180 days. If it is used less than 180 days, then we have to charge 50% depreciation on this. Next, on balance we have to charge the full depreciation. So we have to check whether that 15% asset, rated asset used in the business for more than 180 days. So see the date of purchase of the foreign car. So there are 2 purchases. One is foreign car 1,60,000. So first one will see foreign car 1,60,000 value. It is started to use from June, so it means no need to calculate 50% here. It is used in the business for more than 180 days, so no need to calculate separately for this. Next, one more purchase is there, that is value 3,20,000 Indian car. So here Indian car rated 15%, 3,20,000. So it is started to use from in the business from 20th/11/2019. 20th/11 means it is used in the business for less than 180 days. So we have to charge 50% depreciation for this Indian car. So first we have to take under plant and machinery, we have to take 3,20,000. We have to charge depreciation on this 3,20,000. Rate of depreciation is 15%, and even we have to take 50% because this Indian car used less than 180 days. Less than 180 days. So is equal to how much? 3,20,000 into 15% into 50% is equal to 24,000. So the remaining purchases, this one is used more than 180 days. So next, no confusion. On balance we have to charge full depreciation. On balance we have to charge full depreciation. So what is the written down value at the end? What is the written down value at the end before depreciation? 75,70,000 minus the value already depreciated. Next we have to take the balance. So forgot to say here, we have to write normal depreciation heading in the case of plant and machinery. Normal depreciation. So balance, will calculate the balance. So here written down value how much? 75,70,000. 75,70,000 minus 3,20,000 value of plant and machinery already depreciated. So balance is 72,50,000. On this value we have to charge 15% full depreciation. So again 50% is not there, full depreciation we have to charge. So that is equal to 10,87,500. 10,87,500. So this is a normal depreciation. Normal depreciation total it is 11,11,500. Next we will calculate additional depreciation on this plant and machinery. So this is calculated only on new plant and machinery. So here new plant comes under 15%. One is foreign car 1,60,000 and another one is Indian car 15%. So new plant means under plant and machinery column there are two new plant and machinery purchase 1,60,000 and 3,20,000. So on this two new plant and machinery. So first one is 1,60,000 value, that is foreign car. The rate is 15% and it is additional depreciation rate is 20%. 20% into, and it is used more than 180 days. So no 50% calculation. So 1,60,000 into 20% is equal to 32,000. Next, one more new purchased is Indian car 3,20,000 value. On this we have to charge additional depreciation of 20%, and this Indian car purchased after November, October, so we have to charge 50%. So 3,20,000 into 20% into 50% is equal to again 32,000, total 64,000 additional depreciation. So total depreciation in the case of plant and machinery rated 15% is equal to 11,75,500. 11,75,500. So right, so here write the depreciation value 11,75,500 in case of plant and machinery rated 15%. Next one is plant and machinery rated 30%. So here there is no there is a one purchases 3 lakh. So first we have to calculate depreciation on that 3 lakh. So see here whether that 3 lakh value of plant rated 30%, whether it is used less than 180 days or more. So here it is used less than 180 days. So we have to charge 50% depreciation for the third block plant rated 30%. So we'll calculate first normal depreciation. Normal depreciation for the normal depreciation in the case of plant value 3 lakh. So this is a normal depreciation rate, how much? 30%, and it is used less than 180 days. So we have to charge 50% depreciation here. So the value is equal to 3 lakh into 30% into 50% is equal to 45,000. And again on balance, so what is the written down value here? Written down value in the case of third column, it is 7 lakh. So balance, will calculate the balance. So balance is equal to 7 lakh minus the depreciation already calculated on 3 lakh. So balance how much? 4 lakh. 4 lakh. On 4 lakh 30% full depreciation we have to charge. So that is equal to 1,20,000. So that is equal to 1,20,000. This is about normal depreciation. So 1,20,000 plus 1,20,000 plus 45,000 is equal to 1,65,000 is a normal depreciation. Next we have to calculate the additional depreciation for plant and machinery. Additional depreciation, in the case of additional depreciation, so there is one new plant. So on this new plant, new asset, we have to charge additional depreciation. So the 3 lakh into rate of additional depreciation 20% into this asset is used in the business for less than 180 days, so 50%. So if you calculate, the answer is 30,000. So total additional total depreciation in the case of plant and machinery rated 50%, 30% is equal to 1,95,000. So this value we have to write here, 1,95,000. Next, in the case of furniture rated 10%, so there is no purchases, directly we can take 40,000 into 10%, 4,000. So in the case of furniture, fourth block furniture, so there is no date is given. So full value on 40,000 So there is no purchases, so 40,000 into rate of depreciation of furniture is 10%, so equal to 4,000 is the depreciation in the case of furniture. Next, in the case of trademark, so there is a purchases, written down value is not given, so 50,000 value. So here we have to see the date of this trademark, so it is of after October 1st, so we have to provide 50% depreciation in the case of trademark. So fifth block, trademark. So under trademark value is 50,000. So rate of depreciation for trademark is 25% and it is used less than 180 days, so we have to charge 50% less than 180 days. So everywhere write less than 180 days here. 50%, wherever 50% is taken, write less than 180 days. So 50,000 into 25% into 50%, trademark depreciation is equal to 6,250. So right here 6,250. Next, last block of asset, books. So there is no written down value, so there is a purchases. So books date is December, so it is used less than 180 days, so we have to charge 50% depreciation. So sixth block of asset, books. So value of books purchased, how much? 10,000 into rate is 40% into we have to provide 50% because it is used less than 180 days. So value is equal to 10,000 into 40% into 50% is equal to 2,000. So next, therefore next here write 2,000 depreciation. Next, calculate the balance answer, written down value here, and even the total depreciation also. Now from the written down value at the end before depreciation, deduct the depreciation value, you will get the written down value at the end after depreciation. Building, in the case of building 15,12,000, in the case of plant and machinery rated 15%, 63,94,500, and plant and machinery 30%, 5,05,000, furniture 36,000, trademark 43,750, and books 8,000. And here the total depreciation is equal to, we have to add all the depreciation. So this is about this illustration. So here one thing we should remember is we have to take sale or transfer only if it is completely destroyed, not partially damaged or destroyed. In the case of partially damaged, it is not taken as a sale or transfer. If you want, you can write in the case of a scooter partially damaged, it is not taken as a sale or transfer, right? Note for that. And for this asset, no assessee is not entitled for additional depreciation, which is partially damaged scooter, and even it is not, no, scooter is not purchased here to provide even the additional depreciation. So don't confuse with this sentence. So in the case of plant and machinery, we have to provide the additional depreciation, but for this point is given for this scooter, it is not available for entitled for additional depreciation.